Okay, go. Go, yeah.
And shut you down. And leave my face. Say hey, that's my face. You're back from the day. Didn't go so great. They shut the door. You have a frown face. You were made so now you're staying. When I saved you, we went to weed her to make the doors. Our wonderful thing. We went to the hardware store with a heavy door to lock you out. Light doors to punch right through. There were hollow doors that you could see through. There were regular doors just for regular use. Alright, got that. Then there were really cold doors that shouted at my face, and they wanted to race who could shut first. Doors had an attitude. I love the doors of the hotels that you walk right through, and sometimes you get caught because the person in front of you is slow. Hey, me! In the solo now. Let's talk about it. It's really good. So here it goes. The saddest movie I ever saw was Monsters Inc. When the door gets shredded, it was really sad. Cause the door died. We love her! I wasn't done yet. This is my pity. You're just going crazy. You're going about the doors. What do you mean? Okay, I'm gonna return to myself. So yeah, there was a little piece left, and he changed it to his clipboard, and it had a flower on it, but it was really sad, and it made me cry, cause the door was dead. That's what she said. We cried.